Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Pipedrive for LinkedIn Outreach Pipeline, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to your preferred web browser. Type in www.pipedrive.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button and click on it. You will be redirected to a registration page. Here, you will need to provide your email address. Create a secure password that meets the specified criteria. After filling in the required fields, click on the Continue or Sign Up button. You may receive a confirmation email from Pipedrive. Open your email inbox and locate the email from Pipedrive. Follow the link provided in the email to confirm your account. Once your email is confirmed, return to the Pipedrive login page. Enter your registered email address and password to log in. After logging in, you will be greeted with a setup wizard. Follow the prompts to customize your Pipedrive experience. Choose your preferred currency and set your sales goals as instructed. You will be prompted to import or add existing contacts. Opt to add contacts manually or import them from LinkedIn if prompted. If importing, authorize Pipedrive to access your LinkedIn account. Pipedrive will guide you through syncing your LinkedIn contacts. Once the syncing is complete, navigate to the pipeline section from your dashboard. Here, you can create a new pipeline specifically for LinkedIn outreach. Click on the Add Pipeline button and name your new pipeline. Start customizing the stages of your outreach pipeline. Add stages like Contacted, In Progress, and Follow Up. Ensure to save your changes after setting up your pipeline. Next, head to the Contacts or People tab to start adding your LinkedIn leads. Use the LinkedIn data you've collected to input information into Pipedrive. Fill in relevant details like name, email, and company for each lead. Once your leads are added, return to your newly created pipeline. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.